Gold prices dropped nearly 4% on Thursday, falling for a seventh consecutive session, as the Middle East conflict increased energy prices and ignited inflation concerns, raising expectations that top central banks will keep borrowing costs elevated. Spot gold fell 3.9% to $4,629.29 per ounce by 11:07 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 15:07 Greenwich Mean Time. This is the lowest level since early February. U.S. gold futures for April delivery fell 5.4% to $4,632.40. Gold is now a very widely held position for institutional investors, and that has been driven by the debasement trade over the last year. But the foundations of that trade are now weakening, said Daniel Gali from TD Securities. For the near term, there continues to be risk to the downside. There is a substantial amount of room for gold to sell off while still maintaining its broader bull market trend support. Gold is traditionally seen as a hedge against inflation and geopolitical turmoil. But since it does not generate interest, it tends to lose appeal during periods of high interest rates. Nearly all major developed market central banks kept rates unchanged this week, but emphasized they are prepared to control inflation if the energy shock caused by the U.S.-Israeli war on Iran continues. Benchmark Brent oil prices traded above $110 per barrel after Iran attacked energy facilities across the Middle East following Israel's strike on its South Pars gas field. Meanwhile, a U.S. official and three sources familiar with the matter said that Donald Trump's administration is considering deploying thousands of U.S. troops to reinforce operations in the Middle East as the Iran war enters a possible new phase. Analysts at SP Angel said gold has been impacted by profit-taking and a stronger dollar. After its strong rally in 2025, traders are locking in gains, covering margin calls, and rotating into other trades such as hydrocarbons amid renewed market volatility. Spot silver slipped 5.9% to $70.89 per ounce. Platinum fell 4% to $1,942.35, and palladium lost 1.9% to $1,446.69.